Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michelle, and if you are new here, thanks for tuning in, and please go ahead, hit the subscribe button because I have more to share with you. And if you are old, thanks for coming back. I love you for supporting me, and for all my new subscribers, I do see you guys and I really appreciate it. So if you want to see how I achieve this fabulous look with a messed up edges, just go ahead and stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Guys, okay, so to start off, I already have my eyebrows done and my eyelid is already primed. I did prime my eyelid with my Tarte creaseless concealer in the color Deep Sand, and I'm just using this brush to blend the primer that I put on my eyelid already. I hope this is clear, guys, because sometimes I'll be recording here and it don't even be clear. So once I blend that, I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing as well. I think I've done a good job blending it. I'm going to go in with my Airspun loose face powder. Yes, I hope so. Ooh. Tarte creaseless concealer, and it do work for me, being that my eyes get oily and creased up. This do a great job for me, and I've used it and I always use it, so this will be the second video that I've used it in. So once I have this setting, today I am doing my eyes with my Juvia's Place palette. I'm using the Nabian 2 palette and the Masquerade palette for my eyes. I hope you guys can see these two palettes. I'm using the Nabian 2 palette first, and I'm going in with Morocco. I'm going with the shade Morocco. I'm going with this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro brush number 5. Like this. So this is just for my base. So I'm not reaching it too far in the inner corner of my eyes, because I'm just going to use whatever is left on the brush to blend into that area, because I do not want too much product in that area. I just want a sizable amount, not too much, guys. So first I start by tapping the product onto my eyelid just like I want it to be before I will start blending. But for now, we're just patting it on, and that's all we are doing. Pat on. I hope you guys can see this. I do not want you to miss out, because the last time I recorded a full freaking video and my camera was blurred the whole way through, so I couldn't put the video up, guys. I still have the video on my computer, but I cannot find a way to clear it up, so it was just a waste of my time, my day, and my brush. Okay, good brush, wasted. Alright guys, so once I have this consistency right here, and I'm just going to go ahead with the brush and start blending from the inner corner, because I do not want too much product in that area. So I'm going to start blending from here before I go out to the outside. So I'm going to scratch my eyelid and blend to my heart content. Guys, I really hope you can see it. That's how I keep checking the camera in the mirror. And I'm using the tip of the brush to blend this eyeshadow as a scratch. I'm going to go in with the Masquerade palette, and I'm using the shade Adar. I'm using that shade right here, the Adar right here. And I'm going to apply that right below that. And this I'm putting in my, like, the inner corner of my crease a lot, because I want it to look a little darker over there. Oh, and the brush I'm using is the BH Cosmetics V13 brush. the two side brush. And I'm not going into the inner corner with a lot of product because I don't want too much product over there, so I'm just gonna blend. I'm just gonna blend the product towards that area, and I will show you in a minute what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so once I'm done patting the product onto my eyelid, I'm gonna go ahead and tap my brush off. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the inner corner, take it from the middle and blend towards the inner corner before I come outside. I'm gonna put my same concealer that I used to cut my crease out. So the same V13 brush that I used this side to clean my eyebrows. That's the same brush I'm going in with to cut my crease, okay? And I'm just gonna lightly start from right here. So I'm just gonna dab the brush on here, not too much because I don't want that area to have too much concealer on it. Even though I'm still gonna go back in. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Not Being Too palette, and I'm going in with the shade. 1 second. I'm going in with the shade Nefertiti. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but everything is gonna be in the description box below, and it's this shade right here. And I'm just gonna apply that to that cut crease area. I'm gonna go in with that shade from the Masquerade palette, that shade that I used earlier, and that shade to go right back in here and just blend this out. I'm not going too heavy on that, but I just want to fade this right here. Just want to fade it out. That's all I'm trying to do, y'all. Alright guys, so once I have it blended like this, which is good, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Stay Put Matte 17 Hours Wear Liquid Liner, and this is in the color Coffee. Alright guys, once I have the eyeliner draw on, I'm gonna give it a once I'm done, I'm using this, and I'm going in with that palette, and I'm just using that Morocco shadow I use. I'm gonna substitute that in for blush real quick. Alright guys, so once I've done this, I'm gonna go in with my highlight palette, which is my go-to, Born to Glow palette by NYX, and I'm just Gonna highlight my areas that I need to highlight. Going in, and I'm contouring my nose. So once I'm done contouring my nose, I'm gonna go under my eyes, and I'm using this pointy brush, and I'm going back in with that. So I'm gonna using that what you call this shade under my eye, the Morocco shade. I'm gonna go on here with that Morocco shade. I'm gonna go back into the mascara palette and use that. And I'm going in with the Zora, which is this color right here, this whitish color. And I'm just gonna take that shimmery color and put it in the theater, my tear dot area. I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and I am using my Grid Lash by Maybelline. And I'm just gonna go on my upper lashes first. Oh, sorry, guys. And then, alright, so put some highlight on top there. And I'm going in with my NYX lip gloss. I'm leave all the names in the description box below, guys, so you can check it out. Okay, guys, so this is it. I'm just gonna spray my face with my NYX matte finish spray. And then I'm gonna add the Duo Finish Spray from NYX as well. Just shake that and spray my face. So guys, just a heads up, if you are gonna spritz your face, make sure you spritz your face before you put your mascara on your bottom lashes. That's a lesson that I just learned, because when your lashes is wet and it's as curly as mine, when you do like this, it goes like the black come off and it sticks on your skin. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. I'm just gonna take the rubber band off my hair. Do not look at my edges because it's a mess. Okay guys, so I'm back with the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did recording it. So if you loved this video, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up. and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Make sure to share this video as well. Bye guys.